Hi, today I'm going to go over with you how to add a button to link out to a specific website. So this is an event that I pulled off of discoverdenton.com. It is the 2023 spring art class. So just like you would create a regular event, you're going to go through all the regular steps, posting your link and retitling it, adding any descriptions or any times, dates, locations that you'd like to add. Then you'll select the add button. You're going to label this. So for instance, for this, if it is a ticketed event or something where you want to link out to that exact website so they can purchase tickets or get that information, you could name it something like purchase tickets here. And then I'm just going to paste in that URL for the actual event. We're going to go ahead and hit next. We're going to post it like normal. We're going to go to the board. Here we're going to see that event. Just like normal, you can actually click on it. It's going to have the same information that it would currently have. I did not add any actual dates. That's why you're not seeing the actual date line here. But what we can do now is we can go to purchase tickets here, which is going to link you out to the actual page.